Hey guys, it's Juve here, and I'm here to show you my magic. So here. This magic, I'm gonna tell you a story about a 4 ace that who wants the gold. There are 4 aces, right? Look, there are 4 aces. 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. And this is the building. So these are the guards. The guards are so many. Guarding the building. So they will look if there in the building will steal some golds. So okay. These are the 4 aces. See, right? There are four. Four, right? So there are four. Look. Four. Yeah. And my hand is the helicopter. So my hand will go chop on. On and on to the building. And after that, my first ace will go to the first floor. And my second ace, it will go at the second floor. My third ace will go at the third floor. There. And my last ace, see it? It's an ace, right? I'll go at the top. The first ace is... So we didn't find anything in there. So he asked second ace if there isn't gold on the second floor. The second ace said that there some gold, and I got it. Then he just he just he just um he just farted, and the first guard hear it because the first guard is so close. Then all of the guards just surrounded the building, and the helicopter just broke down. Then they need to get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Come on, get up, get up. This, I'm telling you something. There are no camera tricks in here, right? There are no camera tricks. I swear to God, there are no camera tricks here. This is just my magic, I promise. So let's go back at the story. He just voted, and all of the guards just came and surrounded. So they better came up. Come up, come up, come up. And then the first chopper get the first ace. Second, get the first ace. Get the third ace. And got the fourth, the last ace. So they chop back away into the territory. Finally, they got the gold. With the first ace, second ace, look, third ace, and the fourth ace. That's all I got. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys like it. There are no camera tricks. I'm telling you. There are no. Bye. Please subscribe.